Hi, I'm Brian Black with A&B European Motors. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about these little testers. They're a great little tool for certain aspects, but to truly diagnose a car, they're not something you want to use. They're only going to give you one single fault code, which is going to lead you down a path of maybe a misfire, but if you don't have a true scan tool to give the data stream, you're going to spend money on parts and keep chasing your tail and not ever fix the car. And we see this a lot where people are spending unnecessarily large amounts of money when they could bring it to us, let us hook it up to our scan tool and diagnose it and find out you may only need one item or two items instead of everything in that data stream. So even though they're a useful tool in some areas, to truly diagnose your car, they are not something that you want to use. So please give A&B European Motors a call at 916-415-1994 or visit us on the web at abeuro.com and save yourself a little bit of money. Thanks again.